Hi, my name is Dennis Dickinson. We live in Lake Park, Georgia, and we had other warranty companies, and we decided to change to Choice because we were having issues. And we had a microwave that was having an issue. One of the sensors were out, and Choice uh, was real quick about getting somebody out here, Dean's Repair Service, and they did a super job fixing it. And one thing I was really impressed about Dean's is that they went and they pulled the microwave off, and that they found that it wasn't mounted properly. And rather than go ahead and just go ahead and slap it back in, which they could have because it was, holding up, but it wasn't installed properly. They took the time to go ahead and reinstall the mounts and to make sure everything was mounted properly. And you know, they not only fixed the microwave to make it work properly, they also remounted it the way it should have been mounted. So I'm very pleased. And like I said, I would recommend Choice because, like you said, they got somebody out here in a timely manner. And like you said, they did a great job. And I really recommend Dean's Home Appliance. And like I said, we live in Southern Georgia here, and it just worked out fantastic. Thank you. Y'all have a Merry Christmas. Bye bye.